I've got the feeling we'll be an invincible team.
The three fantastic Supermen.
Get in the car, quick!
You're free. Operation Burning Chestnut is all wrapped up. Fellas, you're free to go.
Thanks a million, FBI. Say, have you heard of Operation Kangaroo?
Hold it! I'll take care of them.
Hey, there they are! Quick!
Superman too smart for you. This surprise will turn you blue.
Duck. Hey!
Fasten your safety belt. We're taking the freeway.
What's happened?
They tricked us. I'm sure they must have taken off in another car.
Then they must have been in that car we passed a few minutes ago. Hurry!
Two of you stay here. The rest with me.
pretty good show. Come on.
Let's get them. Damn, they blew the back of the car off.
Here, get in, quick.
We'll never catch him with that bucket of bolts.
We'll try, FBI.
Come on, Jumping Bean.
Which one's got ZZ?
Better split up. I'll take that cab. Follow them.
Up front, Nick.
Hey, what are you...
Come in, Charlie. Watch out. One of the 3 Supermen is following you in a yellow cab. Over.
We'll take care of him. Over and out.
Take me to your leader.
Never.
Where'd the others go?
Speak to the port.
Hey! Take off.
At that speed, they're going to end up in the water.
Let's get out fast before we get roasted.
These gold ingots are worth over $100 billion. They're the real McCoy. And they were all reproduced from a single original Go bar. And finally, look at this. Because of your humanitarian delusions, you've never given yourself the pleasure of seeing the universal reproducer work. And now, so.
Happy landing.
All set for the fireworks. Okay, we're gonna hold those fools in their car as long as possible. They'll burn like a big pile of hay.
Doc, your head's unprotected.
Next locked in the trunk.
He's safer than we are.
Go on, go!
Right. B-O-M-B. A bomb. He just wants to get out. Some pineapple.
Slow down.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
What happened?
Fires burned out the embassy of Shimashir. Keep moving. What a coincidence. Burned up.
That's the way they operate. They don't leave any evidence.
I'm not sure I got it.
Oh, come on. I just spent 5 minutes trying to explain it to you.
Never mind him.
We've got all the kids in the basement, but the Collins boy is missing. You've got to bring him back.
But where do we find him?
Idiot. Where the hell do you think? With his mother at Greencastle.
From one idiot to another. Thank you.
Hold on tight.
Now, don't let go, little man. You scared?
A little bit, Superman.
Well, I wish you'd let me express my gratitude.
I'm Jimmy's mother.
Oh.
Hello there. I brought a couple of friends who wanted to meet up with you. Wait till you hear what they've got to tell you. Ah, come on. They only pull that stuff in the movies. If you're gonna watch, you better start the countdown. In seconds. That's a good boy. 5, 4, 3, 2. Ah!
I told him to get out of the way.
Marcus, turn the freezer on full. Set the Sigma pulse at 89.
Ladies always come first.
Got suction cups. Here we go.
Come on, kids. It's all over.
My friend's asking if you'd be willing to fix it.
No, I won't. And I'm going to destroy it. Your monstrous creation will disappear, Gollum. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Stop, Professor!
Cullen, forget it. Just let them go. It'd be the wrong kind of publicity for the Bureau if we made too much fuss about this.
Fakes.
There are an awful lot of dollars just waiting to be stolen if you know how. So,
Oh!